Chapter 3. Bailment. Bailment. A bailment is a delivery of goods or movable property on the condition that the receiver shall ultimately return back them to the person from whom he may receive them. Essentials of bailment. Bailer and bailee. Delivery of possession, goods for a purpose to be returned. Classification of bailment on the basis of benefit derived by the parties. Bailment for the exclusive benefit of the bailer. Bailment for the exclusive benefit of the bailee. Bailment for the mutual benefit of the bailer and bailee. On the basis of charge, fee, or remuneration. Gratuitous bailment, non-gratuitous bailment. Rights and duties of bailer and bailee. Duties of bailee: to take care of the goods bailed. Duty to pay compensation. Duty not to make any unauthorized use of goods. Duty not to mix the goods bailed with his own goods. Duty not to set up an adverse title. Duty to return the goods bailed. Duty to return any accretion to the goods. Rights of bailee. Right of enforce the bailer's duty is his right. Right to delivery of goods to one of the several joint bailer. Right to delivery of goods to bailer without title. Right of lien, bailee lien. Duties of bailer. Duty to disclose known effect in the goods bailed. Duty to bear extraordinary expenses of bailment. Duty to indemnify bailee. Duty to compensate bailee for loss caused by premature termination. Duty to respect the bailee's lien. Duty to receive back goods when returned by bailee. Rights of bailer. Right to enforce the bailee's duty is his right. Right to terminate the contract. Right to return the goods lent gratuitously. Right to sue for damages against wrongdoer. Right to recover compensation for loss or destruction of goods bailed or wrong delivery. Finder of lost goods. Right of finder of lost goods. Right to be indemnified. Right of lien. Right to sue for good reward. Right of sale the found goods. Obligations of finder of lost goods. Duty to take reasonable care of the goods. Duty not to use the goods for his own purpose. Duty not to mix the goods found with his own goods. Duty to take reasonable steps to find out the true owner. Termination of bailee. On the expiry of time, on the completion of the purpose, on unauthorized use of goods, on destruction of the subject matter, on gratuitous bailment, on death of the bailer and bailee. Pledge. Pledge is a kind of bailment where a thing is delivered as a security for the repayment of a debt. Essential of pledge. It is a delivery of goods, values, documents. The delivery is made by the pledger pawner to pledgee pawnee. There is a contract. Delivery is made as security of debt or performance of duty. The pledgee pawnee must return back the articles to the pledger pawner after the payment of debt or performance of the promise. In case of default, pawnee can sell the goods. The pledgee pawnee cannot use the goods. Rights and duties of pawner and pawnee. Rights of pawner. Right to receive back goods. Right to compensation. Right to redeem debt. Right to ask the preservation and maintenance of goods. Right of an ordinary debtor. Duties of pawner. Rights of pawnee. Right of lien, right to claim for extraordinary expenses, right of lien for subsequent advances, right to sell, right to claim for the amount, duties of pawnee. Place by noun owner, place by mercantile agent, place by a person in possession under a voidable contract, place by seller in possession after sale, placed by buyer before sale, placed by a finder of lost good, placed by joint owner in possession, placed by liquidator or official assignee or receiver.